From the investors wondering if we've finally hit peak rates, to some heavy hitters reporting in the US and Europe, these are the stories to watch in business and finance. Are the giants of the central bank world done raising interest rates? With recession signals in Europe and a sharp contraction in US manufacturing data, markets see a 70% chance that rate cuts could begin as soon as June. World stocks just had their best week of the year so far, so watch closely to see if there's any pushback against the cut chatter from top central bankers. With over 300 companies now reported, S&P 500 earnings are estimated to be up 5% year-on-year. U.S. heavy hitters next week include eBay, D.R. Horton, Walt Disney, and Biogen. In Europe, it'll be all about money and metal with UBS, Commerzbank, ABN AMRO, steel giant ArcelorMittal, and insurance giant Allianz reporting. Next week marks a month since the deadly attack by Hamas in Israel triggered the worst escalation of the long-running Middle East conflict in decades. Safe haven gold has surged almost 10% since the troubles ignited, but the initial spike in oil prices, triggered by fears Iran could be drawn into the crisis, has fully subsided. Even Israel's shekel has started to bounce, though the situation could quickly spiral again. Following a hotter-than-expected third-quarter inflation print, markets price a near 60% chance of a quarter-point hike by the Aussie Central Bank. All of the Big Four Australian banks forecast a hike, too.